Ryan, do you consent to being recorded?
I mean, I'm not wearing my body cam right now.
Where's your body cam? You gotta put it on your hard hat and you gotta walk straight.
No.
Yes, like a duck. Walk straight.
What are you gonna do? Record everything for reporters so you don't have...
No, I have job security. Okay? In case my dad and Xavier decide to fire me,
Yeah.
I can go to, you know, Shane's or the next guy and be like, yo, I can do Walmart's. You want to show you? I can show you. Walmart slab. Walmart slab on grade. We're pouring this today. Thank you.
They're slightly used. That's probably better.
No, you're good. You're good. Better than mine. Thank you. Hi. Xbox. Xbox. Dile hi a TikTok.
Good morning, everybody.
Buenos dias, TikTok.
Buenos días, TikTok.
Oh, yeah. Good sir. How's it going, Paul?
You look like your dad. It's funny.
Go.
Just gonna turn your laser on. And that grade, we need that grade stick just in case they hit that. I've already fixed it.
Oh.
Somebody turn that on and get it straight.
You need elevation right now?
We're gonna, well, we almost need it level.
Okay.
He already hit that.
Okay, let me see. It doesn't work. Wait.
Bring some more Adobe's. So
Okay.
We can Adobe that up right there.
Your plumber's asking for elevation for his copper pipe.
Who?
The plumber, he's asking if the laser's on. Adobe. We're touching the edge by hand. Then we're rotting it. 3 feet out. We're routing it 3 feet out, then we're coming in with the laser screed here.
As you can see, this pour is going off. I'm on the shovel. Everything seems to be going smooth. Very difficult to film stuff like this, you know that? Very difficult. Rod, shovel. Rod, shovel. Rod, shovel. Now everyone's disagreeing. Then we got our laser screed coming in right here. Coming in to level it off to our finished floor. Sorry. Same dock levelers we were messing with earlier. This is where I'm gonna end the clip. I'm done. Look at that. Take my mic. I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna end this clip at the dock levelers. We're gonna take it after I'm done. Here. We're still here, and it's 4 o'clock. I've been here for like 2:30 to 4, 2:30 to 2:30 is 12, 11, 12 plus 2, 13 and a half hours. I'm not even thinking anymore. My brain's like mush. I can't calculate crap. I can't calculate anything. We took the light tower and we smashed it into the building. But look, we're saw cutting now.
Okay, so
Look at my email. When I get to the trailer in about 15 minutes, I'll be able to pull my email and see the inspection request.
So today we're doing slab on grade prep. Diamond dowels. Oh, let me get a clap in real quick. So we got the plastics. That looks like it's gonna work right there. Okay, so whatever. No lock. So this is it. This is our subgrade right now. We're looking to get all this dialed in so that we can continue throwing our base on everything.
Daniel, son, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, Daniel, son.
I don't think I'm managing today.
Why?
Remember you told me you got check the guy check. That's not. I don't know if that's happening today.
It's not. Today is. I'm pulling this way, you pull that way.
And then some guy pulls over that way.
Yeah, and I'll pull one of your legs, the other one push your arm, and you don't push your arm. It's like that today. It is what it is.
And you pull frog.
And I pull froggy, yeah.
Bravo!
vibratory plate, filled up with gas, check the oils on them. Let's see if the vibratory plate has gas.
There's my puppy. There it is right there. That's what I've been looking for.
Like a little doom buggy. Yeah, I found it. Is it cool if I take that pallet right there? My pallet. You never know. Sometimes people fight over these things. Some people fight over them. The mason's like, I need my pallets. The block yard's gonna charge me. All of that.
Tell your changuita to go home. Changuita es malo. Cállate los hijos, changuita. Come on, Daniel, Daniel. Come on, Daniel. Wanna go swap it in over there? Is that the one you measured? Okay. Yeah, we can go. Doing good work?
Ahorita por allá miré una fly de migración, güey. Allá pasó por la calle, güey. No, sí, güey. Ey, pasó la SUV y una troca, güey. Is the blade down? We're out of material.
That's it. We got most of our basin for the first pour. Dad kind of went off the handle, but it's okay. You got the roofers trying to make last preparations for the rain so that it doesn't rain on our slab while we're pouring. Obviously, the underground guys are making progress. Welcome back to the crew, man. I gotta go. I got the 12. I got a mic. Look, I got a mic now. Oh, okay. Official TikToker. This is mine. Capo.
What do you mean it's yours, motherfucker?
That's mine. See, nothing's changed. People still argue about batteries. Me and Horacio compacting.
Let it begin. Let it begin. He doesn't want to be on camera.
I'm a white boy.
You're not a white boy.
I am a white boy.
Lo voy a echar de reversa, güey, le echamos con la roja mejor.
I support Trump. I'm a white boy.
Got it. Voila. Done. Where's my tape? Beautiful. 5/8. Perfect. Okay, 5/8 is still good enough. So we're going with the 33.4. This smart. When you're a one-man show, good enough. So where does it go good again? Where does it go bad? Here. You want the salsa, sir? All right. Well, that didn't. The guys on YouTube, where everything is just perfect. Okay. Freaking board's crooked. We're short on our form. I don't even know where the blade for the salsa is. Oh, it's right here. Did the little teeth cut wood? No, it's only the fat teeth, I think.
You can be here 10 feet.
10 feet.
Wait, I got the lining here.
So you need a piece 10 feet straight.
Over at 10 feet.
Okay. Does anybody have good lumber? No lumber. No lumber. No lumber. Things go right, it's me. When things go wrong, it's you. Sí.
O mejor así, güey.
Es lo mismo. Es the same. Es más derecho que este. Este pedazo es más derecho que este.
No, no, pero aquí de este lado.
Ok. De este lado, ¿cuál lado?
Sí, mira.
Sí. ¿Una pulgada de este lado?
No, de este lado.
Okay. Has a wow in it. It goes like this board goes like that. What do you call it? A wow or a crown or I don't know what the phrase is.